Hey you! In our last video, you learned how to make the essential hummus. The foundation, smooth, balanced, reliable. If you haven't watched that one, start there. Because today, we decided to challenge ourselves here at the Community Teaching Kitchen. We asked a simple question: how colorful can hummus actually be and still taste amazing? You already know the base: chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon, olive oil. High protein, high fiber, heart-healthy fats. Simple, reliable, good for you. But it's expected. We wanted more color, more creativity, more fun at the table. Not just add food color and fun. Real ingredients, real flavor, real nutrients. Let's start with one of our favorites from this experiment: beets. Start with covering our beets in some olive oil and roast them in your oven for an hour at 375 degrees. Then pull them out and let them rest in your fridge for 20 minutes. Peel and add them to the hummus and blend. It creates a beautiful, deep, ruby red color that looks wonderful. Beets contain naturally occurring nitrates and folate, along with vitamin C and manganese. Earthy, slightly sweet, powerful, delicious. Next, let's look at our orange bowl. Roasted carrots. Cut up the carrots and follow the same steps as the beets. Cover in olive oil and roast in the oven for about 30 minutes at 375 degrees. Then chill them in the fridge for 20 minutes before adding them to the blender. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which supports vision, immune function, and skin health. Warm, bright, crowd-friendly. Here was another one of our favorites: yellow. Add turmeric and curry powder to your base. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Curry blends often include spices like coriander, cumin, and fenugreek, each contributing antioxidants and digestive support. This version is earthy, slightly smoky, and deeply aromatic. And that golden color is stunning. Now, let's go green with this plant-forward hummus. Let's start with blanching our kale. Get a pot of water up to boiling and flash cook the kale. Keep it in there for less than a minute before adding it to cold ice water. Not only will this make our kale taste better, but keeps it a beautiful, vibrant green for our hummus. Blend in kale and parsley. Kale brings vitamin K and fiber. Parsley adds vitamin C and brightness, fresh, herbaceous, and clean. Our next one was a challenge: blue. When approaching this color, we had a couple different thoughts, but here at the kitchen, we had butterfly pea flower powder that would give us the exact color that we were looking for. An ingredient commonly used in tea, this flower provides a wealth of antioxidants due to it being rich in anthocyanins, which can provide protection against chronic diseases like cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. Now, let's round it out with our last bowl: olives. Blend in kalamata olives for a briny depth. Olives are rich in polyphenols and monounsaturated fats, compounds that support heart health, giving a nice nutritional upgrade to all the things hummus already does so well. Savory, Mediterranean, confident. Now, look at what you've built: 6 colors, 6 different phytonutrient profiles, 1 foundation. You didn't learn 6 new recipes, you expanded 1 skill. Here at the kitchen, we say eat the rainbow, because different natural colors in food provide different nutrients, and here we didn't only make them visually stunning food, but one you can tailor to your specific nutritional goals. So plate them side by side, bring them to a gathering, prep them for the week. Let your snack board look intentional, not accidental. You're not just someone who follows recipes anymore. You understand foundation. You understand variation. You understand how color connects to nutrition. Make one, make all 6, and tell us which color surprised you most. We'll see you in the next one.